Days of the week.
Days of the week.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Okay, there's
Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's
Thursday.
Thursday. And then there's what?
Friday.
Friday. And then there's Saturday.
Days of the week. Days of the week.
Days of the week. Days of the week.
Good job. Okay, Solomon, tell me. Let's see. What does this say? Whose name card is that?
To Solomon.
Solomon. Okay, whose name card is this?
To Solomon.
No, whose name card is this?
Solomon.
No, I just gave you yours. Whose is this? Look at the first letter. It's an M.
Mom.
Mama. Okay, whose name card is this? Who? Siler. Good job, buddy. Okay, let's see. I think Nanny taught you a bunch of these. Let's see if you remember. Okay, show me. Okay, show me what is the red shape. What, this one right here. What's that one? What's that one right there?
Square.
Square. Okay, what's that one that Siler's pointing to?
What's that one?
Oh, okay, what's that one right there?
A square.
No, remember it's a little bit bigger.
A big square.
A rectangle.
Rectangle.
What's that one?
Oh.
Or
Circle.
circle. Okay, what's that one right there?
A triangle.
Triangle. Do you remember what this one is with the 5 sides?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know.
A pentagon?
A pentagon.
What about the one with us? Let's see. Let's count these sides.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Just 7. Heptagon.
Gun.
Say it to me. Heptagon.
1, 2.
Oh, hey, Siler.
4, 5.
6. That's a hexagon.
Hexagon.
And then the last one right here. Let's count that one.
1, 2, 3.
1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
That's not 5.
Octagon.
Octagon.
Hey. Octagon.
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 Octagon.